Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord radiator. First, gather all necessary tools like wrenches, pliers, and a drain pan. Ensure you have safety gear such as gloves and eye protection. Next, locate the radiator drain plug and position the drain pan underneath. Carefully open the plug to begin draining the old coolant from the system. This ensures a clean and safe working environment. Once the coolant is fully drained, you can proceed to unbolt the radiator mounting brackets. Take your time to ensure all fasteners are removed. Gently lift the old radiator out of its bay, being careful of any residual fluid that might still be inside. This is also a good opportunity to inspect the surrounding area for any other components that might be worn or damaged. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, if you're looking to change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, carefully lower the new radiator into position, ensuring it seats correctly in its mounts. Reconnect all the hoses, making sure they are secure and tight. Don't forget to reattach any electrical connectors. Finally, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, bleeding any air from the system as you go. This step is crucial for proper engine cooling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.